Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually ship in your DHL. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video. So to do so, first of all, you will just have to go to your phone browser. So once you're in your phone browser, simply search in dhl.com right there in your search bar, and you will land on this kind of interface right there. So as you can see, this is the homepage of DHL. So if you want to create a shipment, you can simply see in the homepage, you will find this option called create a shipment right there. Simply tap on that option, and here you can see this kind of interface will open up, right? So you can simply go ahead and choose your country. Once you're done with the country, the language will be auto selected over there. Then you will tap on this next option right there, and here you can see this kind of interface will open up, right? You can see you can view content and get info on your full site. To ship online, we recommend accessing My DHL Plus via your desktop or tablet. So as you can see here in DHL, if you would like to ship, you will have to access this website, this My DHL Plus website, in your desktop or in your tablet right there. So here in your mobile phone, either you can get a rate, you can simply get a code, find your location, you can simply track your package. But to ship, you will have to go to your desktop or tablet and simply go to My DHL Plus, and you will be able to simply ship your package through DHL. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. If you have more concerns, do leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.